So how do you use gov.uk one login to verify your identity? You'll need two apps installed on your phone, the One Login app and the gov.uk ID Check app. And once both are installed, open the gov.uk ID Check app first and follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the option that says Link App. Then it'll ask how you started the verification process. And here you just answer honestly. If you began from your phone, select I started from this phone, and after that, it'll ask you to link the app to a gov.uk website on your phone. So just follow the prompts again to connect everything properly. And once linked, the app will guide you through scanning your ID and confirming your details. But if linking doesn't work or you started the process on a PC instead, you can choose the QR code option. Scan it with your phone, continue from there, and as long as you follow the steps accordingly, you should be okay. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to follow for more useful content.